Okay, I'm here. (1570) Timber Creek Road. How's it going? Good agent? Yes. There you go. Thanks. Good luck. Taking my diaper out here.
We don't talk about anything like that. No, we're players.
Yeah, but I got to see him.
Okay.
Now I see, but
Yeah, we say
Nice pine with floors.
we know what we like. Very fast.
Not too remodeled. Probably original. We got a stage, dual pane windows, 6-panel closet doors, 6-panel doors, upgraded hardware. Okay. Nice baseboards. Alright. Closet's okay. Okay. Here's a panel. Looks like almost a similar model. This is that first one we're looking at, the vendor. And got a window. Okay. Pretty basic. Looks like you're right across the street from a golf course. I'm just doing a quick bid for my guy. He had to go pick up some family.
Oh, yeah, no worries.
Cool.
Take your time. Give him a good side.
You don't have a bad side, man. Come on. Okay. Granite countertops.
I tell myself that when I look in the mirror.
Yeah. Okay, nice snake backsplash here. Kitchen's been updated. Got Whirlpool. GE gas, that's good. Microwave. And let's see if it's vented. No, it's not vented. So the vent's just up in here. It's just up in here. There's no vent up there. Okay, single car garage. Finished. Not bad. Washer dryer area. Looks to be pretty new. Well, 2020. Fence is kind of getting at the end of its physical life. Kind of small. There you get your 6-foot fence here. This must be a 5-foot. Okay. Ordered grass, a little help there. Fence is a little older, serviceable. So it's got good side yard. They got the vents all down here. Satellite. Let me see if I can do the roof. Yeah, neighbor's got some. Is that an apple? Or a peach? Oh, it's a persimmon. Okay, you can see the roof here. Looks good, reasonable, good shape. Probably last 7 years, 30-year roof. Okay. It's got water system, irrigation, I should say. Okay, I think we're good.